Yeah, you can carry this game by force feeding me a bunch of fucking kills.
Yep.
Feeding.
Yep.
Me.
Yep.
Kills.
Psycho.
Oh my
Yep.
god! Well, now I've got lots of mana regen.
Yep.
Why is my mana regening so quick?
Mana regen.
Yep. Pretty sure. So watch out for that.
No wonder. I shred through him like he's going out of fucking style.
Yep.
All the fucking stuns, dude.
Psycho.
Oh my god!
Yep.
Why are you farming in the jungle?
Yep.
Mana regen.
Mana regening.
Mana regen.
Yep.
Fucking stuns. Fucking kills. Fucking kills. Mana regen. Jungle! Jungle! Fucking kills. Fucking kills. Mana regen. I give no fucks who you are. Do you have your ult?
Yep.
Yeah, you do. Let's do it.
Yep.
Fucking kills. Fucking kills. Mana regen. Fucking kills. Fucking stuns. Mana regen.